Shanghai Digital Manufacturing (SDM) announced the same development plan early in 2004. As the pioneer in China's digital manufacturing, SDM will further explore into this emerging industry. Shanghai Digital Manufacturing, founded in 2004, we are a listed high-technology company. The company established a nation-level rapid manufacturing research centers, 3D printing, and China's first 3D printing academician workstation. The company is dedicating on the R&D, manufacturing, the sales of 3D printing, 3D digitalization, and other high-tech equipment. With headquarters located in Shanghai Pudong Brilliant City Industrial Park, SDM has a variety of product categories, including two major product lines, 3D printer and white light 3D scanner. 3D printer series include SLA, SLM, and FDM technologies, with different materials from photosensitive resin to metal powder and to thermoplastics. The company is penetrated into a great variety of applications and industries covering new product R&D, molding, education, medical, and art. SDM offers professional services including 3D printing, 3D scanning, and reserve engineering, CAE analysis, 3D detecting, and antique digitalization. SDM released its new generation, self-developed SL 3D printer, equipped with one-click automatic typesetting function. The new Gen 3D printer can complete small to medium volume printing tasks with multiple workpiece and array. The new Gen 3D printer utilizes smart variable laser beam scanning and smart recoding technology. By integrating with the variable power technology, the new Gen 3D printer accelerates the work efficiency substantially. This self-developed SL 3D printer also features rapid replacement of resin VAT structure, enabling multi-material printing, and its unique non-contact optical measurement, which is used for calibration of the scanning system, guarantees the printing accuracy. As member of the China's Additive Manufacturing National Standard Committee, SDM has developed and submitted the accuracy testing standard to the committee. SDM's SLM 3D printer uses metal powder as the printing material, including tool steel, martensite steel, stainless steel, titanium alloy, aluminum alloy, nickel base alloy, cobalt chromium alloy. Applications widely cover from aerospace, automotive, medical, jewelry to molding and many other industries. White light scanner is the company's major product. The white light scanner is the third generation 3D scanner based on surface and structure light and binocular vision principle, featuring high accuracy and scanning speed and applying to scan complicated curved surface. Applications cover from reserve engineering, 3D detecting,